Building a simple step and patching more holes on the Kubota B2400.
It's Clint here. So we're back working on same Kubota. I'm doing the floor and just replacing a little more of the rust here and making a nice little step. So as you can see, I got my new floor in now. I'm cutting back some of the outside frame. Gonna put in some patches and then gonna make a little step. That's gonna come down on the bottom here, just to step
Just
up.
a 14-inch piece of angle with 2 tubes welded to IT.
Yeah. Also put on some nice new door actuators so the door shuts and opens and stays at that point, because these cabs, the door actually gets caught on the tire if not. That's why I was welding hinges. Anyway, get to work here.
Trying to get rid of as much rust as possible.
Okay, so there's my the piece I'm talking about here.
What?
So
We didn't talk about that.
There, fix that hole, and then my plate here goes over that hole, and yeah, now I'm putting a step right here. So we're moving along here. So I got my little piece here.
Oh right, the piece we never talked about.
Put my floor down. I got my step on. Which I'm just gonna weld most of the way around that one, most of the way around that. Of course, down each side. Should be more than strong enough. And as you can see, I'm just as low as the rest of the frame. I didn't want to go too low. So I got my step almost tacked on here, and then I'm gonna start tacking my plates.
Make sure you tack that piece we didn't talk about.
Yeah, get welding here, and then yeah, in steps welding McWelder face. Oh, this is nice. This wire is much nicer than that f***ing wire I had there. Holy, I like it. It's a nice wire. Ooh.
Nice, no flex.
All patched in there now. Get old floor patch in there. Let's step on it now. Nice and sturdy.